dos, tres. Olvidaron go. Ahora que la haga Iker solo. Dale, Iker, dale. Uno, dos, tres. No, Iker, sigue, corre. We're in the wild on a search for a drake. We're gonna get close into the natural habitat. Juan! Hola, Juan. These are Juans. Los patitos Juans.
Encontré el patito Juan en la esquina del zaguán. Encontré el patito Juan.
Now we're gonna go look for Drake. Where's Drake at? Could have sworn I just saw Drake. I found Drake. Drake's right there. Drake! Drake! Oh, what the hell? That one's scary. Drake? Oh, I think he's asleep. Drake's asleep. Oh, Drake. Oh, certified lover boy, certified pedophile. Drake, where you going, bro? Look, Drake's leaving. Juan! Look at Juan. He's looking at me. That one's so beautiful. Drake, where you going, man? Drake. And he dipped. Drake does not want the smoke. Now we run. We run. And we run. Run, 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 run. Oh, sí, lactose.
Hacer las prácticas sociales. Me dieron las cosas más tarde. La de aquí de Jacona. Y a la Coca-Cola. Ahí daba mis prácticas sociales.
I just pretend my phone didn't fall.
Inventario.
Oh,
Así está como en el...
Hey guys, so they're playing volleyball over there. And I'm gonna go explore the wild. Because it's so pretty. Oh, look. Wow. There's fishies. Oh crap. My shoe. My shoe. So, don't mind the way I look a little, but we're exploring the wild because I love nature and I love trees. I've heard that if you hug trees, you transport good energy. So, I'm gonna hug a tree. Let me just find a place to put my phone down. Right here, I think. I'm gonna hug the tree. Oh, I can't. Oh. It's not going. Let me find somewhere to put my phone. Oh, I found a perfect place. Look at this tree. Oh. So, I'm gonna hug a tree because it helps transport good energy. And I need that good energy. Because I'm leaving tomorrow to back home and I don't want to leave. I want to stay here in Mexico. But unfortunately, I gotta go back home. Hey guys. So, I'm gonna hug the tree now. And if the back of me looks a mess, it's because I was in the grass. So I'm gonna hug the tree. I love you, tree. Okay. Now we're gonna go hug that other tree over there that's tiny because why not? We're gonna give this one some love as well so that we can help it grow. This one. Okay, that one's way too big. We're gonna hug this beautiful tree. I hear ducks. Oh yeah. Let's see what nature has in store for us today. Shall we sit and watch? We shall. We are going to just... Oh shoot, they just all moved. Oh wow. So beautiful. I love nature. When I have a car and I can drive... But also don't mind my shoes, they're dirty as hell. When I have a car and I can drive and go places, I'm gonna be going to a lot of nature areas so that I could just chill. I hear something. I don't know what the hell it is. But I see flowers over here and I'm gonna go grab them. Guys, it's really dangerous over here. I'm scared I'm gonna get grabbed. But it's hard because you guys are coming along with me. Is that a little birdie over there? It's a little birdie. Okay, there's the flowers right there. Guys. Wow, it's a butterfly. Guys, I love butterflies. Wow. Look at it, it's so pretty. Where's the butterfly? Oh, there's a bee too. Wow. Where'd the butterfly go? Is there a butterfly? Oh, that's not a butterfly. It's like a little... Is that a butterfly? I don't even know. Guys, I could have sworn I hear somebody coming. But look, those are pokies. They hurt. No. That's real cool. I hear something in the woods. Look at that. We could literally go. Look how beautiful the view is. Wow. So pretty. Shall we go hug another tree? I think we shall. Because I love nature and I love trees. Oh, I'm gonna go hug that one over there. Yes. Owie. I got a cramp on my leg. Oh, look at tiny tree. Oh, so beautiful. So I could like lay down on that tree. Okay, let me set my phone down. Okay, I set it down in the grass. I'm gonna hug the tree now. I love you, tree. Okay, I'm gonna try to go up here. We did it! Okay. Now we're gonna go hug the other tree. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! That tree. Okay. Let me set my phone down somewhere. Should I just set it down over here far away from me? You guys gotta be careful that nobody snatches you from me. Okay. I think that's a good angle. No. Is that good? Kind of, yeah. I'm gonna hold this one. I love nature. I love nature. I love nature. Wow. What a magnificent. Oh, I love nature. We're getting that vitamin D. Okay, guys. I think we're good now with the nature exploration. I'm tired. I already walk a lot back home where I live, but I'm not used to it over here anymore because I don't be walking that much, but okay, so by the way, I was gonna show you guys my cut. It's closed now, but it still hurts sometimes. But yeah, that's it for our nature exploration. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Running and running and running. Wow! Fernand. Wow, it's so pretty. Allá están, Fer, agárralo. Corre, 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 corre. Corre, corre, man. Fer, Fer. Fer.
No alcancé ninguno.
It's Drake. Shimmy, shimmy, yak, shimmy, yak, shimmy, ya. Drake. Swalla la la.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink. Swalla la la. Drink. Swalla la la.
Ese. Wow.
Bueno, vamos por comida y ahorita regresamos.
Bye, patitos Juan.
Vamos con los de allá.
Cause we're gonna go try to get a duck.
Se van a comer el pato, Fer. ¡Ey! Pelotudo.
They're fighting.
Ojalá.
¡Ey! No se estén peleando.
Y ahorita uno le estaba jalando el pelo a uno.
He's like, did you see what this fool did to me?
Serio, ahorita uno le estaba jalando el pelo. ¿Y dónde cayó?
Otra vez.
Hipnotizaste. Ya le enseñé.
¡Ay! Espérate. No, espérate. No quiero que se asuste. ¡Au!
Wow. They're fighting again.
Pero no quiere que coma. Mira, todos. Toma. Ey, no se peleen.
They're gonna fight over there. Oh my goodness. We're capturing a duck in the wild.
Ay, no, ya se van.
Oh no. No. Fer, ¿qué dices? ¿Qué dices? No,
Cochino pato.
no, nada.
¿Por ahí se puede brincar?
No, Fernanda. Fernanda.
No alcanzo. Me quedo.
Tu Merry please. Corre, que aquí asustan. Ay,
Ay, mira, acá hay un pato.
ay.
Ah, pero es el de los gancitos.
De los gansitos. ¿Qué vaino que quieres una foto con el de los gansitos?
Este sí va a ser fácil de agarrar. Ya vi que no tiene dientes, lo voy a agarrar. Toma.
Agárralo, Fer, agárralo.
Métele la mano.
Agárralo.
Si ya me mordió acá. Por el chulo.
Agárralo, Fer, agárralo.
Unos chiquititos.
Agárralo del cuello si es necesario.
Déjalo.
Así le hace.
Tiene miedo. ¡Le agarró del cuello!
Me lo voy a llevar a mi casa.
Mira, siente que les dan amor, por eso como que ya no se hace por...
Fer, dale un besito, dale un besito. Dale un besito, Fer. Dale un besito, Fer.
No, dale un besito. A todos los besos. Tía, pero no tiene dientes porque me mordió.
Ay, voltea, entonces el abuelo.
Entonces ya se le cayeron.
No tienen dientes.
Es rey, es como, es el rey, lo alimentan.
Pobrecito, lo agarré del cuello.
Yo lo grabé, ¿cómo lo?
Ya que ganas van a tener de morder.
Ay, qué bonito.
Ahí viene a rescatar.
A ver, entonces la rescate.
Brandon. Fer aventó el pan allá, déjalo toco. Ay, no quiero que me muerda. Ay, no.
Yo le ayudé para agarrarme la camisa para que no se cayera.
He does not want to be here, chat.
Vamos a su liberación.
¡Qué rico!
Una foto.
Ya llegué.
He's talking mess about us. He's talking about his experience with the humans. She's warning them about us.
Pero ¿por qué no te mordió el de ese si es más bravo?
Wow. We're gonna try to get a white one now. Mira acá, no pasa nada más fácil ya.
No, ¿tú qué?
¿Es el nito o qué? ¿El nito?
Está bonito también.
Mira como un pato.
Mira sus piernas.
Ahí vienen estos.
Ya regresó les avisó cómo lo ahorcaste. Le dijo a todos cómo lo ahorcaste.
Perdón por haberte ahorcado, bebé.
Mira, está demostrando cómo les tiras el cuello.
Ya la cajeteó.
Este ya fue a chismear a decir lo que le hicieron.
Pobre patito.
Oh, look at that. How romantic. How romantic.
Le está diciendo.
Te está diciendo cómo lo ahorqué.
That's the end of our wilderness vlog, guys. Don't worry because I'll see you guys in the next video. Because we're gonna record later, but I just didn't want to make it all in one video because this is my wilderness video. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you all. Mwah.